think this is where I go. And this is the famous Monserrate mountain in Bogota. They say everybody got to come here. You take a cable car to the top, and you're supposed to get the best views of the city. So I'm in. I want to see. All right. I bought a ticket for 1 o'clock. It is now 4:30, but if I read it right, it said you can come at any time after your ticketed time to the end. So let's see. Am I supposed to wait on the line? I'm a little bit confused. Because I have a ticket, so I don't know if I'm supposed to wait on this line or not. This sign is very serious over here. I'm not sure. I don't even know where all these people are going. Oh, that way. I'm not sure. If you have a ticket, just go. So I have a ticket, but there was only one line. So even if you have a ticket, you have to stand on the same line with everyone else that's trying to buy a ticket. We had other lines, like Fast Pass, blah, 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 but they were all closed. So we just had a one. Right, we're still going up. Let's take a look.
Yo sé. Y se me ríe cada vez. Sigue, por favor. No, per cosa comunico al centro?
absolutely beautiful. I wonder what's on the top up there. I think it's looks like a church or something. How do people get up there? They're hiking, or is there another cable car? The sun is really bright, but this is the city of Bogota. So we just looked at the sanctuary, and now we have like little ticket booths and things, and just gorgeous views. From what I understand, there's some history here. I think the Spanish came when they came to colonize Colombia, etc., etc., etc. And they have something to do with this sanctuary that's on the top of the mountain. Yeah, there's some history here with the Spanish in Colombia. These little hills, this elevation, child, I'll be feeling tight. too. Before we came up to the top, it was a little warm. Now it's a little chilly, getting closer to the top of the mountain. But yeah, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. I like a good view, y'all. Right? Right? And then they have food here, empanadas and other things. They have a restaurant down there. Oh, there's another restaurant or something over there. The sun is setting. It is beautiful. Right? All right. This is how we get out. I didn't even notice it. It was right next to the food place. We have to stand in this line to go back down. The line is kind of long. So I'm going to use this time to figure out what I want to do next. This is going to take a minute. All right. The line is long. This looks like it might be like 5 or 6 cable cars before I get, maybe at least 4 cable cars before I get on. Breeze, serious, chilly. I wonder what the weather feels like right now where I am. Let's see. 56 degrees and super windy right now. Super windy. I'm trying to get inside this little building to at least block some of this wind. All right, so I'm in the building now. Much better in here. Much better in here. Look at the views of the city. This is a big city too.